Hey folks, Ron here, Burtness Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. Fresh trade, a 2020 Ford Mustang GT. Okay, we'll take a peek under the hood here. Alright, this comes with a dealer installed Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. Okay, 750 horsepower, 670 foot-pounds of torque. This thing will take you where you need to go in a hurry. Alright, Brembo brakes, 752 original miles on this car. Not going to find one cleaner. Okay, take a peek here on the inside real quick. Manual transmission. Okay, obviously the interior is super clean with that kind of miles. Alright, if you know Ford Mustangs, you know what this is. Okay. Any questions, give us a call here. Burtness Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin, 608-879-2973. Again, 2020 Ford Mustang GT with a dealer installed Phase 2 Roush Supercharger. Thank you. Have a good day.